Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be looking at the Tati Beauty Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. Tati is super revered in the beauty community. She does the most incredible and in-depth, detailed makeup reviews. She's just recently launched her Tati Beauty cosmetic brand. This palette was her first launch. She knows what's good, so she's going to make something that's good. And if not, we should all stop trying. Tati's great. I'm excited. We're going to try out the palette. I have it, the Tati Beauty Volume 1 something eyeshadow palette. And man, am I excited about this one. I think I say I'm excited about all of them. It's currently Monday. I got the palette delivered on Saturday, but I was about to drive down to Portland right at the time that it got delivered. So I went and picked it up, took it with me. It was just comforting knowing that I had it. Not that I've gotten to use it or know anything about it. I just assume that it's good. This is probably the most excited I have been for a makeup product in a really, really long time. The outside packaging feels kind of soft. It's got our embossed, what is this? Logo. It's made like a book. It's actually not coming out. Okay, I can't get this. That could be the end of it. I think I may have just broken the palette. Not broken, it's okay. That would have been a real bad time. And this is the inside. Super giant mirror, very weighty. It looks like a book, feels like a book, except it's not a book. I like a good sequential order. I like being OCD. Like encyclopedias where you collect them. Just looks good. Collecting palettes like this would look good. Great marketing technique because I definitely am gonna want all the volumes. I've got the shade names down the bottom and then up the top we have the finish that it is. A bit different. Very ordered. This is my kind of thing. It looks pretty. It feels pretty. The giant mirror shows me absolutely everything on my face and in my face. I really like the shade variation. There are no blues and there are no greens. So that's a huge win for me. Let's swatch a couple of these. First one is the Matte Ritual. Poet in the sequin shade. The third one is Story in the metallic. The last one is Poet in the glitter. The matte feels really smooth, very pigmented. The sequin is rather unique. Very much like the matte, but it's got a bit of a glitter through it. The metallic is like most metallics I've dealt with, really smooth and creamy. The glitter is like something else. There is so much shimmer and shine. Wow. You really catch me at shine, and that's got a lot of it. There is so many nice options in here. Today is gonna be pink. I have already done my base and the rest of my face and my brows and so on and so forth, purely because I currently have a rash on my face. My skin has had some kind of allergic reaction to one of the creams that my dermatologist gave me to use, and my skin is really red and bumpy and dry. So for your sake, I've covered that. I seem to have a lot of bad luck with my skin recently. All the acne bumps and issues that I'd had previously, that's pretty well almost cleared up, but now my skin's broken out in a rash. Alas, I'm going to prime my lids first, especially because I've got this rash. My lids feel a little bit weird right now, so I just want to cover them in some anything. I'm gonna use the Anastasia eye primer. I'm just gonna pat that onto my lids. I think my eyes crease a lot less when I use the primer. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna go in with the Matte Soothe. It's really not necessary, but I do want to see what that shade just looks like on my face. That smooths out really beautifully. Just went in with a light hand because I really don't want a lot of that color over my lid. We're gonna go into the Matte Poet. We're gonna stick that on the outer third. That has gone on really nice. I used a denser brush to pack that onto my lids. No fallout at all. I do want to try a sequin shade just to see what it looks like on the lid, to see whether any of these glitters do pop up. I'm gonna use the Sequin Poet. I'm just gonna go over the top of that. There are some really beautiful subtle flecks of glitter in there. I'm just gonna go up the line of the palette and go into Poet Metallic. I'm gonna take that just a little bit further in. Wow, that metallic is beautiful. This metallic's not patchy, it's not gritty. It's not like sandpaper on the eyes. It feels really nice and smooth. So far, this palette is everything I've ever dreamed of in a palette. Okay, I really want to use that pink glitter. It's just so pretty and unique in terms of glitter color. First, I want to go into the Metallic Aura. What? Why does my eye look so good? Today's one of those makeup days where I just feel like I could do anything and achieve everything, and I'm just the most beautiful person in the entire world because my eyes look like this, and no one else's eyes will ever look like this because this is just the most pretty thing ever and no one could ever replicate it, and I probably can't replicate it myself. I really want to use that glitter, but I don't want to ruin this. If I'm going to use the glitter, I think I have to go in with my finger. I don't think I can ever apply glitter with a brush. Almost 100% sure that there will be fallout. I'm going to use the Poet glitter. Oh my goodness. Look at my eyeball. Wait, that's not my eyeball, that's my lid. But look at my lid. It's so glittery and so pretty. I don't think I've ever been this excited or happy. No, I was this happy at my wedding day. Other side. Ooh. There has been a little bit of fallout from that glitter. It's totally worth it because this is what I look like. I can't stop looking at myself. This is incredible. I feel like the prettiest person alive. I haven't been this excited about makeup in ever. I need to wrap this up. I'm just having a party over here. I will see you in a sec. This is the final look. I feel so pretty. I feel like I just want to go out on the street and show everyone how I look right now. I know I don't go anywhere. I know I don't like going anywhere. This has changed. This has changed everything. This palette retails for I think $49. I think it's really good value for what you get. If I could have one palette to last me forever, I would choose this one. This palette has totally changed my life and I am really in shock. So thank you for experiencing that with me. I'm just gonna go. I need to show Jez what I look like right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a like down below. Also follow me on Instagram at Amy_Leesha. If you do want to see more looks with this palette, just let me know. You guys are great. I'm gonna go. Hope you have a good one. Bye.